Hey, Future Wealth Builders, welcome to the latest episode of the New Wealth Wave podcast. I'm Dr. Joaquin Wallace, and I'm excited to share with you an exclusive episode packed with insight you won't find anywhere else. In this episode, we'll discuss stages 1, 2, and 3 of my generational wealth model, and we're joined by Dr. Michael Thomas Jr. Dr. Thomas is AFC certified, a TED speaker, a professor, and the author of the book, Black Financial Culture. He'll share some evergreen content that will be engaging and lasting. So grab your notepad and get ready to take some notes. This episode is a must listen for anyone looking to build generational wealth. So pull up a chair in this virtual classroom and subscribe to the New Wealth Wave podcast on your preferred platform. For a visual experience, find us on YouTube by searching for the New Wealth Wave podcast. Remember, generational wealth begins with generational knowledge. This episode is a game changer, a key to unlocking your financial success. Don't miss out on this enlightening episode. I'll see you on the New Wealth Wave podcast.